Hello believers and welcome to this episode of SMC Dial Tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be taking you step by step on how to create a buy or sell ad as a P2P merchant on OKX. I'd also note some points that you need to take when creating these ads. Alright, so let's get right into it. So tap right there on your OKX app, and this is your homepage for OKX. Before you can be a P2P merchant to create a buy or sell ad, you have to first be a verified user. To be a verified user, you have to put in your identity documents, your bank statements, your SMS verification, and all that. Once you have done that, OKX has created a way that verified users can be merchants. Alright, as a verified user who wants to be a merchant, first tap on your assets. On your assets, you have an overview that shows you your funding wallet, your trading wallet, and your grow wallet. If you are doing any P2P transaction, P2P simply means peer-to-peer transaction. If you're doing any peer-to-peer transaction, you have to ensure that your funds are in your funding wallet and not in your trading wallet. To transfer funds from your trading wallet into your funding wallet, tap right here on transfer. Okay, and this page appears. We want to transfer from trading to funding, and the assets that we are transferring is USDT. So based on the amount of USDT that you want to sell as a merchant, you can put in that amount. If you want to send $20 into your funding wallet, you want to send $50 into your funding wallet, $1,000 into your funding wallet, you can do that. So I'm going to send max because I want to send all the money in my trading wallet into my funding wallet, and tap right there on confirm. The transfer is successful. It doesn't take time and it's pretty easy. So right now you can see my trading wallet is empty. So I'd go to my funding wallet and confirm that there's an increase in my funding wallet. Alright, so let's go back to our homepage because we want to create a P2P ad as a P2P merchant. Tap right there on P2P trading. So this page appears. This is the user P2P channel. It shows you your buy ads and your sell ads, where you could buy or sell any USDT that you want to get or attain, whether it's Naira, Fiat, or USDT. To create a P2P ad for your name to be listed right here, tap right here on ads. As you can see, I already have buy ads and I already have sell ads that are on the market. I'm going to show us how to create this ad so that anybody that sees your prices can choose to buy or choose to sell using your ads. All right, tap on this plus sign at the top right of your screen. You can choose to create a buy ad, create a sell ad, and it's important that you apply to become a super merchant, but that's not for today. So one thing to note is that if you are creating a sell ad, your ad will appear on the buy section of the user P2P. But if you are creating a buy ad, your ad would appear on the sell section of the user P2P. So I'm about to create a sell ad from the merchant P2P, and it means that it will appear on the buy section of the user P2P. Alright, so I could just tap on ads, tap on this plus sign, and create sell ads. On this section, it helps you from the set ad price. It shows you I want to buy or I want to sell. Remember I said that if you create a sell ad, if you want to sell, it would show as a buy ad on the user P2P. And if you create a buy ad, it will show as a sell ad on the user P2P. Alright, so you can scroll all the way down and choose what you want to transact with. If you want to transact USDT for Naira or any other currency based on your current location. Create the price type. You can make it a fixed price or a floating price that fluctuates based on the market price change. Alright, but I'm using a fixed price for this tutorial. Remember, it's important to always buy low and sell high. I'm creating a sell ad, which means I want to sell high. The lowest price on the market for sell is showing right here as 1597.90, and the current market price is 1594. So I can set the ad based on however much I want to sell. If I want users to buy from my ad with the price I want, I could use 1599 and scroll all the way down. You choose the quantity of USDT that you want to sell. It could be $100. $100. It will show you how much it is, the transaction limit and all that. You're getting there. You could choose $50. You could choose max of all that you have in your OKX wallet. But for this tutorial, I'll be using $50 for this. And then you come to the single transaction limit. You choose your transaction limit, the minimum amount that a user can buy from you, and the maximum amount that they could buy from you. You could choose 10,000 naira. It means that nobody less than 10,000 naira buys from you. You could choose 20,000 naira, which would mean that no one with less than 20,000 naira buys from you. And I think for this ad, I'll do 50,000 naira to this amount of money, that is 79,950, because that is the current price of $50. Another thing to note is, if you are starting as a merchant to create an ad, the minimum amount of USDT that you can sell is $50. If I do $49 right here and I tap on continue, it would show me that the minimum amount is worth $50. Alright, so I'll go back and tap $50. And the $50 is based on my price up there, 1599 naira. Okay, so once I have confirmed this, I tap on continue. And on this page, I select my payments method. It means for this particular ad that I have created, which of my banks do I want users to transact with? Do I want them to transact with only my OPay or my Keystone or my PalmPay? So I choose the banks that I want and tap right there on continue. So these are the banks that buyers can send money into my account. Alright, on this set ad requirements, it's an optional thing. You can set your trading terms. It could be customized or use the one that OKX has already given. A welcome message, you could write anything you want to write. It could be reminding your buyers to ensure that they don't put crypto related words while doing their transactions, and instructions given to them. You scroll down here, you see trading rules, and we'll tap right there on trading rules. Here, payment window means that if it exceeds 15 minutes, the order is cancelled, or if it's within 30 minutes, if it exceeds 30 minutes, the order is cancelled, or 45 or 60, dependent on how long you want to keep it. But I'm choosing mine for 15. You can choose your user sign up date, no restrictions. Or if you're doing your peer-to-peer with a huge amount of money, I'd advise you to ensure that your users have a sign-up date of at least 90 days ago, or 30 days ago, or 180, or whatever you prefer, because it helps to secure your money more. New users may not really know how to do the peer-to-peer. Some of them, it could be their first time doing the peer-to-peer, and you don't want a first-time user playing around with a big amount of money that belongs to you. Right, so I choose no restrictions for this particular one. All countries, to ensure that the spread of my ad goes far and wide. So review ad details. You can see the crypto is USDT, price type fixed, unit price 1599, quantity, single transaction limits from 50,000 to 80, marketplace is public, the total amount that can be bought with this ad, that I can sell on this ad, is 80,749.5. My account information, my trading terms, my welcome message, and all that. So I'll tap right here on create ad, and it shows me success. Your ad has been created and listed on the peer-to-peer marketplace. So you can go to marketplace and check where your ad is listed. Remember, mine is 1599. So the highest price, or the best price on this market currently, is 1589. So I kept mine a bit down. So if I scroll all the way down to where I see 1599, I would see my ad there. Right here, it shows my ad, Third Lawrence 242. It shows the amount of transactions that you have completed, your completion rate, and the review percentage, your positive or negative review percentage. All right. So this, anybody that sees my ad right now can tap on this ad and buy the amount of money they want to buy. Now, if it's to create a buy ad, the first requirement that OKX would have you do is that you have to have a list or a minimum of $1,000 into your bank account. And it means that you have sold up to $1,000 on OKX. The reason OKX does this is to ensure that if someone wants to sell their USDT and get Naira from you, they want to ensure that you have the minimum amount of Naira to give to them from your bank and you are not scamming anyone. So I have already done that requirement. So I'll tap right here on create buy ad. Alright, I'll choose I want to buy. The unit price, remember we buy low and sell high. So I could pick a price of 1575. The current highest price on market is 1589. Okay. So I'd scroll the way down and see the quantity that I want to put. Okay. So if you want to create a buy ad, choose your unit price, choose the quantity of USDT. Choose a quantity of USDT. I think I'll choose, because there's a limit that OKX allows, it should be about 80,000 Naira, still around $50. I'll just do 51. And I say I want only transactions from within 10 to 50. I can pick my max at 45,000 Naira. But this is dependent on how much is in your account. Don't choose an amount that isn't in your account, or else you could get suspended for a while. Your trading per day could be suspended if it exceeds 3 cancelable transactions. So I'll tap right here on continue. Okay, so it shows that the minimum total amount is 85. So I think I'm going to do $52. Okay. Tap right here on continue. Now, select payment method means which of these banks do you want people to buy from? Remember that we are creating a buy ad for merchants, which means that it will show as a sell ad on the user page. So whoever wants to sell their money, you can choose your requirements of which banks would send money to you. In essence, to pick only 5 different payment methods. You pick PalmPay, Paycom, Pay, PalmPay, Money Points, you pick these 5. It means that no other bank outside these banks can transact with you. Alright. But it's always good to pick bank transfer, because bank transfer is really universal and almost any kind of bank can work with it. So I tap right here on continue, and you can choose your trading terms. Make sure your name is in the payment account matches your OKX account name. Welcome message, you can put hello in front to be more welcoming. And okay, your trading rules, again, you can make trading rules. Your ad payment window is within 15 minutes. User sign up date is 90 days ago. I could pick no restrictions. All countries, and review ad details. All right, so this review ad details shows you all the settings that you have made, what it looks like, what your ad is going to look like. It shows that your single transaction limit and all that. Okay, so I think I want to make my single transaction limit 10,000 to 50. So I can just go back and, change it really quick, or 45. Because I don't want to put more than is in my account currently. Tap on continue, and then you can review your ad details. Alright, so now you can see my single transaction limit has been updated. My marketplace is public, my total amount and all that. So trading terms, trading rules, and then finally tap on create ad. Success, your ad has been created and listed on the peer-to-peer market. So let's go to the marketplace and see this buy ad of 1575 USDT per dollar. So tap right there on sell and check for 1575. So ensure that our trade is actually seen on the market. Alright, so it's right here, 1575. Yes. So that's how to create an ad, a buy and sell ad as an OKX merchant on OKX. If this video has been of help to you, tap right there and like, subscribe and turn on post notifications to be the first to view any of our tutorial videos. See you in our next video. Goodbye.